Hello everyone. In this video I'll tell you how a student can manage his or her notebook and can do the work assigned by the teachers and how he or she can upload the file. Just first of all, for this feature for notebook handling, they need to install this OneNote app from the Play Store. As you can see the name OneNote and the icon also, the purple color icon, and N is written over here with the white color. So this notebook he or she has to install, and after installation just open this. They need to go to this three dots, then settings, then account. Here they need to put their ID of Microsoft Teams which they are using on the Teams with their password. They have to log in with this account, and in one OneNote app only one ID will work. I'm giving you this demo with the ID of Naman Chawla. Naman Chawla is a student. Okay, first of all students have to open their team app after downloading the OneNote and setting the email ID there. Node demo. This is a team of which a student is a part of. Like you students are a part of class 1A, 1B, 1C, 1, 2A, 2B, or whatever class. You just have to go to that particular class or team, click on general, channel, post, files, more. You just have to go to this more option, and this more option you will find class notebook automatically. Once a teacher will create a notebook, it is reflected in the notebooks of all the students or in the team app of all the students. Click on class notebook. This is how a student notebook will appear to him. Okay, here there are various icons or there are various channels. You can see collaboration space, using the collaboration space, content library, using the content library, and the name of the students and their his or her notebooks in which he or she will upload the homework. Suppose a student is a part of class 1A. So here it is written 1A, and here are the various subjects, like instead of computer homework there is a English or Hindi or maths or like that. So you will find the subjects according to the class in which you are a student. Okay, so what you have to do is you just have to go to the either content library. Using the content library you need to click here. Whatever notes, PDFs or the files your teacher has given to you or assigned to you for the chapter, for the help or for the explanation, whatever teacher is using, teacher will upload here. You can see it or download it on your phone. Okay, like this is class notes. Just read this PPT and try to solve the back exercise. Okay, this is a PPT. Student can click over here, open. This PPT will download it on your phone. Okay, and you can see the content, what the teacher has given to you. It can be a PPT, a Word file, Excel file, or any other class notes or images also. You will get chapter wise or the date wise or the class wise accordingly, like your teachers will do. Now this is chapter 1. Just open it. Here is the content of chapter 1. Okay, this is just a demo how the notebooks will work. Okay, when the teachers will upload the actual data, then you will able to see the data here also. Now this is the student, how I can upload my computer homework. Suppose let's say I am taking the example of computer homework. This is already created here. Okay, so just click over computer homework. This is the previous homework that we have done. Student just have to click on this plus icon, here. Suppose I want to do some work and want to upload it or to give to the teacher for checking. So I am clicking here. Just give the title chapter 1 exercise, or title whatever work you are doing, like you have submitting some assignment, some homework or whatever. So I'm writing chapter 1 exercise, and here he or she can do the work, like I am uploading my chapter. Whatever message, and students, this I am doing with the phone. In your phone you will get the options like this. Here you can see the option of camera, mic, attachment icon, and you can write also with this marker. This marker you can see here. Okay, these are the various options that you can use. Either suppose my book is opened in front of me and I'm just clicking on this camera icon. Okay, you just first time you need to allow your camera will open and see my notebook, and just you can click over here and click on done. It will be uploaded. Either you can do it with the camera or you can attach a file by clicking on this attachment icon. Okay, I'm just clicking over here attachment icon, same in all the apps. So go to this three lines in the left corner, three lines. Here your complete phone will open. I'm just go to this gallery option. From gallery I want to upload a file. Either you can upload pictures or any file also. First I am showing you a file, whatever file. Okay, file is uploaded. Either you can record your voice also by clicking on this mic icon. As the recording is already going on this phone, so that's why this is not working now. Okay, you can do it yourself. Just you have to click on this microphone icon, and the whatever voice message you want to give, you can give. So this is how a student can do the work and upload here. After this, just click on back and your chapter 1 exercise will be uploaded in your computer homework. Okay, now so this is in this way the students can upload their homework in their particular notebook. They have to be very careful while accessing the notebook. Suppose one student is a part of 4 teams. Okay, he is attending the classes in 4 teams, and some is combined and some is separate. So he or she has to be very careful like in which team he or she has to upload the homework. Like for computers you are having separate combined teams, so in that team only you need to upload your homework. You will get an option there. Okay, you have to upload their homework there. And like a student is having a member of 4 or 5 teams, so all the 4 or 5 teams notebooks will appear on its notebook app,